WWF Kenya is part of the largest environmental conservation organization on the planet, the Worldwide Fund for Nature, and has worked in our nation for 50 years, striving to improve the lives of the communities and animals that call Kenya home. WWF seeks to build capacity for local communities and secure a healthy natural environment while empowering them to protect and benefit from it. Our community-based approach ensures sustainable management of the ecosystem so that the communities, their businesses and the environment can all thrive. By managing resources and ecosystems to support communities, WWF ensures that people live in harmony with nature.